Okay, so good afternoon everyone. My name is CJ Lumibaw and I will discuss all about the numbering systems and as well as the conversion of binary to decimal and decimal to binary. Okay, so let's proceed. Binary. So we have our numbering system here. We have binary, octal, decimal, and hexadecimal. We have, for binary, we have the base of 2, octal, we have the base of 8, decimal, we have the base of 10, and hexadecimal, we have the base of 16. So, digits ng binary ay 0 and 1 only. Octal naman ay 0 to 7, and decimal ay 0 to 9, and hexadecimal 0 to 9 as well, and A to F. So, each with their own respective usage. So in summary, binary is fundamental for digital computing. Octal is for historical and less commonly used, meaning hindi na masyado nagagamit. Decimals used for everyday arithmetic and human readable numbers. And hexadecimal is prevalent in IT for various technical applications where compact representation of binary data is needed. Hexadecimal, best example dyan ay yung pagpili ng codes. Color codes, ganyan. Hex color, ganyan. Tapos, yung kapag may nagkaka-error sa screen mo, sabi niya 0x. Tapos, may mga codes dyan. Okay. So, let's dive into the binary to decimal conversion. First, okay. So, yan. Meron tayong binary digit dyan. 1011. The base of 2. Kapag may 2 dyan, kapag may 2, ibig sabihin, naka-binary siya. Naka-binary. Ayan na, obvious na. It is on a binary number. It is a binary number. Tapos, ko-convert daw natin siya sa decimal. Kasi yung base ng decimal ay 10. So, yan. So, tandaan, least significant digit ay yung nasa rightmost and yung pinaka-significant digit ay yung leftmost. Why? Kasi kapag ito, binago yung value ng pinaka-una sa kaliwa, ibig sabihin, mababago na rin yung value ng mga nasa right. Okay. So, first step we are going to do is draw an arrow, 1 and an arrow, or magsulat kayo ng arrow dyan. And then, we are going to type 1 times 2 raised to 0. So, ang i-compute muna natin dyan ay yung 2 raised to 0. So, 2 raised to 0. Ano ba yun? 2 raised to 0. 1. So, susulat natin 1 dito sa tabi ng 0. So, 2 raised to 0 is 1. Okay, 1. And then, 1 times 1. 1 multiplied by the binary, the least significant digit. 1. Okay. And that equals to 1. Ulitin ko. 1, yung product ng 2 raised to 0, multiply natin sa least significant digit. Least significant digit. Okay, which is ito. And then, ang product nila ay 1. Okay, so since tapos na yan, let's write another one. 1, arrow, and then 1 times 2 raised to 1. Yan. Ang unahin natin dyan ay yung may exponent. So, 2 raised to 1. What is 2 raised to 1? 2 raised to 1 is 2. So, let's write the 2 sa tabi ng 1 and 2 multiplied by the digit 1. Okay, so 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. So, yan. And let's write another arrow. 1, or rather, 0. Naging 0 na kasi dito, 0 na. Kukunin natin si 0 dito, lalagay natin siya dito sa baba. Okay, 0. Tapos, yan, times 2 raised to 2. Ang unahin muna natin dyan ay yung may exponent. 2 raised to 2 is 4. Okay, so sulat natin si 4 sa katabi ng 2. Ayan, andito siya, si 4. Tapos 4 times 0 is 0. Ayan. Tama. And then, so on and so forth. 1 times 2 raised to the power of 3. Ganyan. Bakit 0, 1, 2, 3? Saan nakuha yan? Kasi yan yung digit ng decimal. Yan yung digit ng decimal natin. So, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yan. And then, 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 is 8. Okay, so 8 naman, multiply by 1. Multiply by 1. 1 times 8 is 8. So, ayan. Okay na. Wala na tayong gagawin pa. Ang next naman na gagawin natin dito ay ipapag-add natin yung mga numbers na to. So, 11 ang sagot. 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 8. And that is 11. So, yung binary code na, or rather, binary digit na 1011 ay, kapag ko-convert natin siya into decimal, ay 11. Okay, so ito na yung final answer. Nasa baba. So, let's try another example. Let's try another example sa dito. Okay, so yan, ni-recap natin siya. 1101. So, yung kanina, 1011. So, this time, 1101 naman. Co-convert natin siya. So, again, let's draw an arrow. 1 times 2 raised to the yung starting point natin, which is 0. So, 2 raised to 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Again, next sunod naman. 0 times 2. So, yan. 2 times 1. What is 2? 2 raised to 1. What is 2 raised to 1? Is 2. Tapos, 2 times 0 is 0. Ayan. Next naman. Akyat yung number dito, yung exponent natin. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so and so forth. Okay? Okay, so, 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2. What is 2 raised to 2? That is 4. 4. Tapos, si 4 naman, multiply natin kay 1. Multiply natin kay 1. So, 4 ang lalabas. So, next naman, 1 times 2. Yan. Ang susunod, yung 3. 3 naman dito. Okay, so 2 raised to 3 or 2 cubed. That is 8. And 8 times 1 is 8. So, ayan. Compute na natin siya, guys. Compute na natin. Since wala na tayong gagawin. 1 plus 4 plus 8. 13. Ayan. So, we have 13 as our final answer. So, yun po yung binary to decimal. So, what if? Ayan. Medyo humaba na. Medyo humaba. So, again. Yan. 0 times 2. Tapos, raised to the raised to 0. Yan. That is 1 already. Tapos 1 times 0 is 0. Kukunin naman natin ulit. Kunin natin si 0. Baba natin dito. Yan, 0 times 2 raised to 1. Okay? Yan. So 2 raised to 1, what is 2 raised to 1? 2 raised to 1 is 2. And 2 times 0 is 0. So yan, tuloy-tuloy na yan, guys. Tuloy-tuloy na yan. Tuloy-tuloy na yan. Okay? Pare-parehas lang din sa mga first 4 digits. But this time, humaba na ng 3 digits. Okay? Ayan. Okay. Okay. So, yan. Susulat natin, 0. Baba natin si 0. So, dito, times 2. What is 2 raised to 4 is, that is 16. 2 raised to 4 is 16. Okay? 2 raised to 4 is 16. And 16 times 0 is 0. Okay? So, next naman. Ang next natin ay, ito, bababa natin si 1. 1 times 2. Tapos, 2 raised to 5 is 32. And 32 multiplied by 1 is 32. And so on and so forth. Same lang din sa susunod na step. Ayan. 2 raised to 6 is 64. 64 multiplied by 1 is 64. Ayan. So, sa tingin nyo, may gagawin pa ba tayo? Wala na, wala na. So, kapag wala na, pag-add natin. Pag-add natin sila. 4 plus 8 plus 32 plus 64 is 108. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Taas natin siya. Ayan. Diba? Kuhang-kuha. So, ayan. What if, naman guys, decimal to binary. So, pabaliktad naman tayo, pabaliktad. What if ganun? Okay? Kanina, binary to decimal. But this time, we are going to try out binary to decimal. Or rather, decimal to binary. I'm sorry. Decimal to binary. Okay? So, first, we have a decimal number here. Paano siya naging decimal? Kasi may base siya na 10. So, ko-convert natin siya sa binary number. Okay, yan. So, first step, ibababa natin siya. And then, ano yung ginagawa natin kanina? Multiplication, di ba? But this time, we are going to use divide. So, 11 divided by 2, which is yung 2, yun yung base ng decimal natin. Yun yung base ng, base ng binary natin. So, 11 divided by the base of binary. And, ano yun? Anong lalabas dyan? 2. So, ang sagot dyan, 5.5. Pero, tandaan, kapag may decimal, kapag sabi niya 0.5, ang susulat dyan, 5 remainder 1. So, kapag whole number siya, wala siyang remainder. Okay? But this time, 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. Pero instead of susulat natin siya as 5.5, gawin natin 5, R1, which is 5 remainder 1. So, next step, kukunin natin si 5. Lagay natin siya dito sa baba. Diba? We are using colors para mas madaling intindihin. So, lagay natin siya sa baba. And, anong next step? Divide natin siya sa 2 ulit. Divide natin siya sa 2. Yan. Tapos, okay, so 5 divided by 2. What is 5 divided by 2? 2.5. Okay, 2.5. Tandaan, may 0.5 siya. So, we are going to write 2 remainder 1. Okay, so next step, di pa tayo natatapos. We are going to get 2 and sulat natin siya sa baba. Anong susunod? Multiply or divide? We are still going to use division. Okay, so 2 divided by 2, which is yung 2, yun yung base ng binary. And then, equals to 2 divided by 2 is 1. A whole number, hindi siya decimal. 2 divided by 2 ay 1. So, since wala siyang 0.5, hindi siya 1.5, talagang yung sagot ay 1 lang, 1. Wala siyang decimal. So, we are going to write 1 remainder 0. Okay? So, kukunin ulit natin si 1. Baba natin siya. And, same process pa rin. Divided by 2. Ayan, 1 divided by 2. What is 1 divided by 2? 0.5. But we are going to write that as what? We are still going to write that as 1 remainder 1. Okay? 1 remainder 1. Hindi. 0 dapat to, guys. 0. This is 0. Okay? This is 0. This is supposed to be 0. I'm sorry. So, nagkamali ako sa presentation ko. This is 0. Hindi siya, 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2. Okay, 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. So, we are going to write 0, R1. Okay. 0 yan, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just going to write 0 here. Okay. So, yan. So, sa tingin nyo, meron pa tayong next step. Di-divide pa ba natin si 0 kay 2? Di-divide pa ba natin siya? Hindi na. So, ang titingnan naman natin dito, guys, ay yung mga remainder. Okay, so since tapos na tayo mag-divide dito, ang titingnan natin ay yung mga remainder. Para saan ba yung remainder na yan? Yan yung mismong binary number natin. Okay? So, ang pagbilang dyan, para makuha natin talaga kung ano dyan, yung binary number dyan, magmumula tayo sa baba, paakyat tayo. Bibilangin natin siya ng pataas. So, 1011. So, that is our binary number. Okay? 1011. Pataas siya. So, 1011. So, that will be our final answer, guys. This is our binary digit ng 11 na decimal. Okay? So, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. So, pasensya na at nagkamali ako sa aking presentation. Dapat 0 to guys ha. Tandaan 0 yan, 0. This is 0. Okay, so thank you for watching.